Hi, I'm John. Welcome to UnDNR Chevys, or Under Chevys. Today I drug home an '08 GXP. God only knows why. Obviously hard hit. And kind of be unmasking, unwrapping, taking the first look at it. And thought I'd bring you along on this one. Hopefully I can get it into the garage before the wife sees it. She okayed this one, but she hasn't seen it. So let's do this. This is usually one of my favorite parts. Breaking into these things, seeing what we have. What we have here is a holy Jesus. A lot of junk in the trunk. Well, some crappy Moog parts probably in here. Threw that coil in when I found it. Yuck. Well, I guess there's a bunch of trash. Rack and pinion mounts. Huh. Well, they're probably out hot rodding it. Yeah, we got some new front end parts. Let's go wreck it. Flip it off the side of a mountain or whatever the hell they did. Oh my god, this is no fun. Where's the good stuff? Yeah, okay, maybe they were drinking and having some McDonald's. Well, dug through the trunk and I was assuming that all these new parts were empty boxes, but evidently this guy was looking at doing motor mounts and heater core. All sorts of little suspension stuff. Imagine there's probably still some on the highway where he rolled this thing. Well, what we have here is a Christmas wrapped present from Copart. A favorite toy for my daughter for last birthday, Christmas, something like that. So we'll see if she opens her up. Oh, yep, gotta jack her up so I can get her over the trailer. Huh, there's some parts in here. Yuck. Let's see, what were they thinking about? Like, we don't know. So what do we got here? We got a mess here. Doesn't look like we have to pull the hood pin. Oh. Well, this is the first time I've actually looked underneath the hood. And I got a battery warning here, so we'll see what happens. Well, you know, I think, it looks like the header got yarded out of the head. That doesn't seem too good. I was kind of hoping the radiator and airbox and computer took the whole shot. Well, we'll see what happens. Oh, I wondered what that was. It looks like part of a alternator. Well, yeah, right there, huh? I guess that kept the motor out of the chassis. What I'm hoping is the rest of the engine and the transmission ain't too smashed back here. But we'll find out about that. Please always remember safety first. I guess we got a little tension. Alrighty folks, I guess we have dug into pudding. Just about done for the day. Got some carnage going on here. Guess there was a fire. There's fire extinguisher crap all over the place. The bolts for the header are all broken or ripped out of the head. And there is no chance in hell of starting this on the trailer. That's something I really like to do. The transmission might be savable. The engine might be savable. Might have to replace that cylinder head. Probably want to get rid of the AFM anyways. I think this one probably has it. I'm not a fan of it. But now that I'm not afraid of this thing setting fire again, I might actually hook up some power to it. And I really haven't found too much bad about the wiring harness. Overall, I was actually rather surprised to find that most of this is actually not too shabby. So, alrighty folks, well, I'll give you one last little tour of the cutaways and trashings. Tell you what, that ABS sensor wire was stretched to its life. No major blunders in there. The rim didn't do too good. You can kind of put your hand through that. I was kind of hoping maybe find out if something was savable, but I don't think that is anymore. So I think I'm gonna probably make another clock out of this thing. And if you know me, that's funny. So I guess look at some of that. Wee little hammered. This is the end they used to bolt to that for the crossover. It's history. This is what was on that. A lot of plastic and junk. But actually not too bad so far considering what happened here. Alright folks, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Gotta go. Bye.